Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we uncover products that truly make a difference in your everyday routine. If you've ever struggled with keeping your teeth feeling fully clean, or wondered if a regular toothbrush is enough, this review might be exactly what you need. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss our honest takes on beauty and wellness essentials. Today, we're looking at the Philips Sonicare 2100 Series Electric Toothbrush, model HX3661/04, designed for adults who want a gentle yet effective clean. This sonic toothbrush promises to remove up to 200% more plaque than a manual toothbrush with its C1 Simply Clean brush head, featuring soft, flexible bristles that protect your gums while thoroughly cleaning. It also includes advanced sonic technology that pulses fluid between teeth and along the gum line, plus helpful tools like Easy Start, a Smartimer for 2-minute brushing, and a Quadpacer to ensure you spend the right amount of time on each quadrant of your mouth. The brush is rechargeable, giving up to 14 days of use on a full charge, and comes with one brush head and a USB charger. In my experience, this toothbrush is incredibly simple to integrate into a daily routine. The moment you turn it on, the sonic pulses are noticeable but never harsh. I love how the Easy Start function gradually ramps up the intensity, making it comfortable even if you're used to a manual brush. The Smartimer and Quadpacer are surprisingly effective in keeping you on track. No more rushing through certain areas. The brush feels lightweight in hand, and maneuvering around the teeth and gum line is smooth, so you don't feel like you're forcing it. After consistent use over a couple of weeks, my teeth genuinely feel cleaner and my gums look healthier, which is exactly what you hope for with a sonic toothbrush. Pros: the soft bristles and sonic technology combine for a gentle yet deep clean. The 14-day battery life is convenient for travel, and the Easy Start makes it approachable for anyone new to electric toothbrushes. The inclusion of Smartimer and Quadpacer ensures a disciplined brushing routine, which is great for both kids and adults who tend to skim over certain areas. On the flip side, there are a few things to consider. The brush head is not interchangeable with all Philips models, so if you have multiple brush heads from other series, compatibility may be limited. While the 14-day battery life is decent, it's not as long as some higher-end models, so frequent travelers might need to charge more often. And although the brush provides an excellent clean, it doesn't come with multiple intensity settings beyond the two, which might feel limiting for those wanting a more customized experience. In terms of value for money, this toothbrush sits at a mid-range price, and honestly, for the quality and clinical level cleaning it offers, it's justified. You're getting a product backed by the #1 dental professional recommended sonic toothbrush brand worldwide, which adds credibility to its performance. Compared to higher-end Philips models, it's simpler but still highly effective, making it a solid choice if you don't need all the bells and whistles of premium options. The build quality is sturdy, the handle feels solid and ergonomic, and the materials have a premium finish. Over weeks of daily use, I didn't notice any signs of wear, and the brush head held up well without fraying, which speaks to its longevity. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. I haven't interacted directly with Philips customer service for this model, but the brand has a strong reputation for responsive support and reliable products. If any issues arise, you can expect them to handle inquiries efficiently. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly alternative, the Oral-B Pro 1000 electric toothbrush offers similar plaque removal capabilities at a slightly lower price, though it lacks the fluid pulsing sonic technology that Philips is known for. For those prioritizing the gentlest possible clean and Smartimer guidance, sticking with the Sonicare 2100 is worth the investment. Overall, the Philips Sonicare 2100 series electric toothbrush excels in delivering a consistent, gentle, and thorough clean. It's perfect for adults who want effective plaque removal without risking gum irritation, and for those who appreciate helpful features that guide their brushing habits. While it's not packed with multiple modes, its core performance is reliable and backed by a respected brand. If you're serious about oral care, this toothbrush hits the mark. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. The link to purchase the Philips Sonicare 2100 series is in the comments below. If you've already tried it, drop a comment and let us know your thoughts. I love hearing about your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.